Have you been gardening with succulents for a while and already collected many? Or are you completely new to this hobby?
Thank you, Chopsticks and Succulent!
Whatever level you're in right now, know that these plants benefit you. I'm sure you've noticed that everything is so expensive nowadays. From food, gasoline, electric bills, you name it, even succulents. You might wonder if this succulent gardening is still practical. Commodities are skyrocketing. The answer is yes. Now more than ever, we need succulents in our lives. Why? We need succulents to keep our sanity. With what's happening in the world now, global warming, increasing crimes, rampant homelessness, inflation, and so on, these scary occurrences can make us feel worried about the future and be stressed. You know, constant stress is not suitable for our mental and physical health, right? Over time, it can cost our health as well as our sanity. We need a break, and gardening with succulents can help us stop worrying even just for a while, to relax and temporarily forget our worries. In the good old days, when we were stressed, we went shopping, watched a movie, or ate out with friends in fancy restaurants. But these too have become so expensive ways of unwinding. For many hobbyists, gardening with succulents is a stress reliever. That is true. This hobby helps alleviate depression and anxiety. Gardening, or simply being out in the garden and focusing on the activity, can significantly improve one's general well-being. That's a cheap therapy with an instant result. You do not need to spend much money to benefit from this hobby. There are multiple ways you can avoid spending a lot while collecting succulents. You can even make this hobby as a side hustle. But before we move forward, please help me reach 100,000 subscribers by subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so already. And if you live in the Philippines, my book is available on Shopee. It's Water Me Next Week, a Succulent Plea. Also, my favorite succulent gardening tools, especially the tweezers. The link is in the description below. Now, here are the few things you can do to avoid spending much on this hobby. Number 1, trade some of your succulents. So, if you've been collecting for a while now, it is time to swap some of what you have. You may have friends or online connections who would barter from you, so let go of some of your collection, especially those you've already propagated. Number 2, sell your propagated succulents. Succulents grow and multiply. Others are probably looking for some species you've bred from your yard. You can sell them as cuttings or rooted. You can use the money to get a new species without digging into your pocket. That's extra savings there. Number 3, buy locally. Instead of paying for expensive shipping, try to get these plants locally if available. You can see the physical plant before bringing it home while saving for shipping. Number 4, avoid importing hybrids. I know they're so beautiful, but they are the most expensive too, from shipping to the actual cost of the plant. Some of them are delicate and won't easily adapt to your location. When they die, it's a sure waste of your money and time. Number 5, do not invest in expensive pots when you stage your succulents. You can repurpose items in your home not intended for the garden, like kitchen items or basically anything that can hold the soil. You'll showcase the uniqueness of these plants and show your creativity at the same time. With succulents, your imagination is limitless. Number 6, create arrangements and sell them. So you reap the benefits or the relaxing benefits of gardening with succulents, and the more you make arrangements, the better you'll get. With succulent arrangements, you can charge more. This can be a side hustle that may work for you. How about you? Do you have any further suggestions on how to save money while enjoying succulent gardening? Please leave your comments below. Take care and have a great day.